Hi, who was today?
Melvin Bote.
And what was your GPA last year?
4.0.
How do you feel about yourself right now?
I feel ecstatic. I'm proud of myself for being able to achieve something that's very difficult. I spent a lot of time working hard, trying to keep my grades up with sports and stuff. It was really difficult.
How do you feel about the students who got a 3.5 or 4.0?
So we had 396 students who received a 3.5 to 4.0 GPA, and we had our Cougars Rising All-Star Academic Assembly. So we're very excited for those students. We were excited for the parents that got to attend, and just an overall pretty good event. And we're going to make some adjustments as we move forward.
How do you feel about the students who got a 3.5 or higher?
I'm so proud of them that they could achieve a 3.5 to 4.0 GPA or higher and perfect attendance during this crazy year that we've had so far.